This is the SMALLRIG V-mount adapter plate that I've had for a while. Right here connected to this FX3. It's not perfect, but it's the best I've seen for this kind of a product. And I wanted to see if SMALLRIG has improved on this design. So I got this version. This is the 5315. You got the base plate. Here you get this piece. So this is for the LCD. Get some instructions in there. Okay, and just if you were curious, this older kit, you got this, I guess the same kind of base plate. And when I got this one, you also got kind of a shoulder piece that you can brace on. Well, not really your shoulder, but you can just brace it against your body. It's padded, and then it has rods right there, 15 mil rods, and a V-mount adapter for something. Oh, that V-mount adapter came here. So if you had other kinds of batteries or other kinds of accessories, you can use a V-mount right there, and with the quarter 20, put something else on there. Okay, here's the new one. Here's the older model. Yeah, I can see a lot of differences just by the weight and feel and look of everything. Oh, that release, V-mount releases, feels much better. And these knobs, yeah. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, we got Velcro now. And it looks like you have a removable Arca Swiss on the bottom here. That part hasn't really changed. Okay, it looks like you just unlock. Pop this in here. Then you could, yep, that's how that locks in. And it's adjustable depending on what camera you have. Is this spring loaded? I think this is spring loaded too. Let me just release that part. Yep, that's also movable. Okay, so let's put my FX3 in here. You do have to be more careful with how you align this, but once you do, it does look flush and protected. And then when you want to use LCD, there you go, it's like that. Oh, I didn't realize there was a plate here, placeholder plate. And I also didn't realize, let me move that back. That this Velcro, these are cable ties. So if you have powering a monitor if with USB-C, or you have HDMI, you can wrangle all your cables here. Lovely.